Okay, today I'm replacing a timing chain cover on a 2005 Dodge Caravan 3.8. Why? Because this one, I'm gonna show you. I've already replaced the timing chain cover. In the junkyard, you gotta remove water pump, power steering pump, AC compressor, harmonic balancer, oil pan. Okay. This one right here, that's the bolt for the alternator. If you don't put this bolt in there, this bracket end up breaking. And that happens many times. So this bolt was stuck in there, as you can see. So what I did, I cut it with my I'm gonna show you. I cut it with this. I cut the side like that. I went right on there. Just make sure you don't go all the way down. So I cut it like basically in half. And then I use this to pull it out. See that? As soon as the screw is like halfway off, you probably gotta tap it, or you know. Yeah, just pull it out. I mean, I know you'll probably be worrying about, because this is cut in half, and no problem. It's still, the other bolt still threads and ties the same way, so you don't worry about that. I did it plenty times. And this is how the bolt end up. Like, you cut it in half like that, and then that way it lose tension. Then you spray some WD-40, whatever lubricant you have, and just pull it out. This is a 95 Dodge Caravan 3.8 engine. Thanks for watching.